All right, good afternoon, and thank you for coming on such short notice. I'm Deputy Chief Chris Jones. I'm here today to brief you on an in-custody death that occurred in the early morning hours of Sunday, March 3rd. Typically, we don't conduct briefings for in-custody deaths. However, in this case, an individual did expire shortly after being taken into custody and being detained for a legal 2000. Legal 2000 is a term that we use for a non-voluntary hold so that a person can receive medical attention for mental distress or a mental health evaluation. This incident occurred on Sunday morning just after 3 a.m. at 3601 Conlon, and that's Elconlon Avenue. That's in the area of Sahara and Valley View. The officers involved are Officer Kyle Smith. Officer Smith was hired September 26th of 2017. He's 27 years of age, and he is assigned to Spring Valley Area Command. The second officer involved is Officer Theodore Huntsman, Hunstman. He was hired August 30th of 2017. He's 29 years old, and he is also assigned to Spring Valley Area Command. Both officers were wearing body-worn cameras, which were activated, and we'll show the footage from those cameras after the briefing. The decedent is identified as Roy Scott, S-C-O-T-T. Mr. Scott was 65 years of age, 6'1", and 182 pounds. Just after 3 a.m. on Sunday, Mr. Scott called 911 and reported that there were 3 men outside of his apartment door, and he stated that one of them was armed with a saw. Officer Huntsman and Smith responded to the call and quickly observed that there were no individuals matching that description near Mr. Scott's apartment. The officers then knocked on Mr. Scott's door in an attempt to make contact with him. They were able to briefly establish dialogue through the door, and Mr. Scott asked them several times to kick in his door, stating that the individuals were now inside his apartment. However, the officers could not hear any kind of a scuffle, and there was nothing to indicate that those individuals had entered his apartment or that they even existed. Officers then moved downstairs and observed Mr. Scott looking out the window of his upstairs apartment. They were then able to get Mr. Scott to come to the door and down the stairs. As Mr. Scott exited his apartment and came down the stairs, he was carrying a 13-inch pipe, which he was ordered to drop by the officers, and he did. Mr. Scott then walked a short distance to an alcove where officers were able to establish additional dialogue with him. At this point, Mr. Scott produced a 7-inch steak knife from his pocket, which he handed to the officers. Concerned that Mr. Scott may have additional weapons, the officers attempted to conduct a pat-down. As they took Mr. Scott by the arms, he slumped to the ground as officers held on to him. Mr. Scott struggled and began yelling as the officers attempted to place him in handcuffs. Officers were eventually able to get him into cuffs and rolled him onto his side in what is known as a recovery position, which aids an individual in breathing when they are handcuffed. Due to Mr. Scott's behavior, both officers believed Mr. Scott was experiencing what is known as excited delirium and was exhibiting signs of illicit narcotics usage. Medical was requested for a minor cut on Mr. Scott's cheek that he received while rolling around, struggling with the officers, and we believe it is from the landscaping rocks that were in the area. As medical was requested, the officers noticed Mr. Scott talking less, and his breathing became labored. A second call for medical to expedite was placed by the officers as they attempted to render aid to him. As medical arrived, Mr. Scott was released from handcuffs and placed in the ambulance for transport to the hospital. It was there that Mr. Scott was pronounced deceased. Pursuant to Mr. Scott's death, a search warrant was authorized for the contents of his apartment. Investigators located prescription medication commonly used for the treatment of diabetes, a pipe used to smoke methamphetamine, and tinfoil that appeared charred. An autopsy was performed, and the results are pending to include toxicology. Both officers have been placed on administrative leave while an internal investigation is conducted. I will now show you the body-worn camera video.
Hey, put it down. Put it down. Put that down. Hey, put that down right now. I ain't fucking with you. Put that down. Okay, not that. That was not your phone. Let's go. Get down here.
What am I supposed to do?
Come down over here.
What am I supposed to do?
Come down over here. Put your phone down. Right here.
What?
Put your phone down so he can.
What?
Hey, stop.
What are you doing, man?
We're trying to talk to you to figure out what the hell's going on.
Make sure you have any other weapons on you, alright?
I don't have any weapons.
He's gonna pat you down for weapons.
Here,
Keep
here,
your hands out of your pocket.
There you go. I'm sorry.
Put that shit down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Watch out, turn around.
Turn around. Turn around.
I got Theodore's schizophrenia.
Okay.
I get it, that's fine. Just turn around so I can pat you down, okay?
Can you just put me in the car, please?
Hey, right now we're just trying to talk to you so we can figure out what's going on.
Can you just put me in the car, please? Sorry.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
get you some help, but you gotta listen to us, dude.
Yeah, listen to us so we can help you.
But you shine the light in my face, I
Okay,
can't.
man, you come out carrying a pipe down the thing and then you just pull a knife out of your pocket when I just told you not to put your hands in your pockets, right?
I think people are after me, man.
Okay, well, just relax. My partner's gonna pat you down, make sure you don't have any weapons, okay?
Okay,
Just do me a favor, just turn around and we'll take the light off, okay?
face the wall.
Turn around.
I'm paranoid, so
I got you. You're
I
fine.
can't turn around because somebody go.
Would you like to step up here so then you can still watch?
Yeah, come over here.
Come right up here.
Can you just come in, please?
Just come over here.
Come on over here so we can talk with you, okay?
I'm paranoid.
I understand. Just come up here and talk with me, okay? You're fine. We're out here to help you, okay?
I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
Hey, we're just out here to help you, okay? You need to come over here so we can talk to you. If you don't want to back away from the wall so we can pat you down, we just want to make sure you don't have any weapons or you're not hurt or anything, okay?
I don't have any weapons, so thank you.
Okay, well, you've had 2 so far, so I'm not really comfortable with that
Can I
answer.
take my shirt off?
No, do not take your shirt off.
Hey, because I'm, please, sir, please, please.
He's going to make sure you don't have any
Please,
weapons.
sir, please.
Hey,
why you do-
step up here.
Oh, sir, please.
Step up here. Step up here.
Why y'all doing this? to
Step
me?
up here.
Why y'all doing
Step
this?
up here. Stop.
What are you
Hey,
doing?
stop.
Stop.
Sir, what
Stop.
are you doing?
Stop.
Sir,
Stop.
please.
Stop. Stop.
Please,
Stop.
sir.
Stop.
What are you
Hey.
doing?
Hey.
Sir,
Get this on.
please.
Hey, stop.
Oh,
Stop. 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 What are you doing?
Stop. Stop it. Please.
Stop.
Stop, please, sir.
VC91, give us a
Please,
call.
sir.
We have subjects
Please,
came out
sir.
resisting us.
Please. Sir, please.
Hey, stop.
Stop.
Stop it, sir.
Stop.
Stop.
Please. Sir, please. Please, sir.
Stop.
Please.
Stop. Hey,
Leave
stop.
me alone, sir.
Stop.
God
Stop.
damn.
Stop.
What y'all
Hey.
doing?
Hey, stop.
No,
Stop what you're
leave
doing.
me alone. Leave me alone.
Stop.
Stop.
Leave me alone, man.
Stop.
Leave me alone.
Hey,
No,
stop.
you
Stop.
Leave me
We're
alone.
trying.
Leave
Stop.
me alone.
Stop.
Please,
Stop.
sir. Leave me
Roll over your
alone.
side.
Leave me alone,
Roll
sir.
over.
Please, sir, leave me.
help
Sir,
us?
please, sir, leave me alone.
Stop.
Sir,
Stop.
leave me alone.
We're trying to help
Please.
you.
Please, sir, leave me alone.
Hey.
Please. Please,
Hey,
sir.
stop.
Oh, why y'all
Do you know
doing
him? Do you
that
know
to
him?
me?
Try to
Why
get him to
y'all
calm
doing
down.
this to me?
Hey.
Why y'all doing this to
Stop.
me?
Hey, hey.
Why, please, sir?
Hey, this idiot.
Please, sir.
Calm down.
Please, sir.